My name is Ryan McGordy. I'm the chair of the Physics and Biophysics department at USD. The particular strengths of the Physics and Biophysics department are the close community between students and faculty that we foster, the opportunities to engage in discovery-driven research.
I haven't tried this in a while, so hopefully it works. Okay.
And the range of exciting courses that are taught by engaged and talented faculty.
I am Dr. Maren Mossman. I'm the Claire Boufflus Assistant Professor of Physics here at USD. I have multiple projects that I'm involved in. 3 of them are based here at USD. I have another project that I've been working on since 2014, which is the Cold Atom Lab, currently on board the International Space Station.
Then you can adjust using that.
Students that major in physics and biophysics at USD have a unique experience because we really highlight the student-faculty interaction. And so we get a really one-on-one experience with our students.
And so that can mean just coming to office hours, open door policy with all of our professors.
See it start to bubble up.
But also the community events that we do to make sure that everybody has a study group and the right support system to move forward. My name is Dr. Sean Mossman. I am an adjunct assistant professor here in the Department of Physics and Biophysics. All of our students do lower division research in the labs with our faculty here, and they get hands-on experience of doing real science while also learning and getting that liberal arts education that we value here.
Where the marble would change around. My name is Dr. Raquel Martinez. I am an assistant professor here in the Department of Physics and Biophysics.
It travels up.
I teach general physics and general physics labs. What attracted me to the physics department at USD was the intimacy that I would be able to have with the students. I really want to provide high impact research experiences for students that are interested in doing high impact astronomy research with me.
My name is Katerina. I'm a 3rd-year physics major. I feel like studying physics has such a big applicability to all the different fields of science. So far, I've been involved with research at USD with Dr. Anderson, and it's just been a great opportunity.
I just really like that we get to use a lot of different advanced equipment as undergraduates. The relationships with my professors matters a lot to me, and this department is really the only one I've experienced where they'll take you to go get coffee. They'll be in their office to help you with your homework.
Employers know that if you have a physics degree, you're being trained and you're being taught to answer certain types of questions and think in a different type of way. We have a number of students who have gone on to aerospace engineering, photonics, students who do physics as a PhD, but we also have students that go straight into industry.
If you are interested in how the natural world works or are curious about the universe, you should major in physics or biophysics.